Day 2. First things first, we got to drain the AC. Now we're going to do that safely and make sure that it's disposed of the right way. Got it. Back at it, had to take a little hiatus break there. So I'm going to start labeling all the wiring just to make sure I get all that right, and because I'm going to forget. So we're going to start labeling it. I got my roll of painter's tape right here, and I got a Sharpie marker. We're going to get after it. All right, got a lot of the stuff labeled that I pulled off already, so we're kind of back to square one with that. I got to pull the bumper off because that's going to be in the way. I know I want that off. I want the core support off. I want both fenders off. The whole front clip, I'm going to take it off. Probably don't need the foot-long extension. Okay, this should be the last bolt. I should be able to, if I'm thinking of this right, should be able to just pull this sucker right off. There's that side. There we go. One bump air. Don't crack, please don't crack. That's not gonna like that. How do we set this? That? Sure. Cool. Bumpers off. All right, night 3. Got the bumper off. Got the AC system drained safely. I got to take this off. So the goal for tonight is I want to get this fender off because I know I'm going to slam this door eventually when I open it into this fender, and it's going to dent it. And it's really nice right now, and I'd like to keep it that way. So I got to get this off, but that's going to require this coming off. So, well, it actually isn't, but it's going to require just to get a couple things and make sure nothing's attached to it. So we're going to get this fender off first, then we're going to go to that fender, then the core support last. And before that, we're going to do these. We got to do the inner fender wells. Okay. Got the bolt loosened right there. She's ready to come out. I got these two loosened here. I've got to get that one. And there's a couple more in the door, actual door jamb itself. There's that one. And there's one down there. I think that's it. Hopefully I'm right. There's one. Oh, there's that bolt that fell. Okay. This over here. Okay, around the driver's side now. I gotta get the harness off this side. I gotta pull all the Christmas tree bits. I gotta get this junction box off. I gotta disconnect the ABS system from the side of the fender so I can pull the fender off. And then I'm probably gonna do the fender wells next, and I'm gonna leave the core support for last because the core support, last 2 bolts sit on the frame rails, and I'll just leave those in until I want to pull the core support. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And one left. Okay, cool. That's the last bolt. Pull it right off. There she is. I gotta clean all this stuff. Well, ran into a little bit of a snag. That's a spider. Hold on. I gotta get the AC lines off. It's already drained. The system's already drained. I don't have crescent wrenches. I know. I could probably mar it up with channel locks that I got, but I need a good set of crescent wrenches anyway, so I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow, get it done. Made good progress, got both fenders off. I'll take that. And that gives me a good excuse, because I would have kept going, not marked anything, not put stuff in baggies. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna route this harness, I'm gonna get it out of the way and out of the core support, so that way when we pull the core support, we're just gonna be pulling it. We're not gonna have to worry about anything. And then I've got bolts on either side for the fenders. So yeah, got stuff to do. It's just not the stuff that really, it's the little things, but it's a lot of work. You just don't see it. And I want to make sure, like on the videos, you guys can see the actual progress that's being made and not go, well, this guy's not really doing anything. That's definitely broken, by the way. That sucks. Well, it's not broken, it's just the Christmas tree that's broke. But yeah, so that's what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to make it look presentable to you guys. Nest. It was just a nest. Okay, I gotta put these in a bag for sure. This should come out. Yep, she goes. Can't wait to paint these too, make it a nice gloss. I don't know if I'm gonna need these or not. Not a clue. These gotta go in a baggie. This can go in the storage. Alright, don't lose that. Alright, second should just pull right out. Ooh, man. Yep. One Thunderwell right here. Now we can clean it all, but we're done. This is enough for now. That's a lot of good progress right there. So we've got one whole side. Let me zoom out. There we go. This side is good. I mean, we've got that side stripped. This side's ready to, paint the frame good. So we're gonna do this, what we did on this side, we'll do to this side next time, and then we'll rip the core support out, and then get the motor to get ready to rip out, and shoot, we'll have the motor out.